Hello, this is Brad. I am one of your consumer technology specialists here at Mid-Continent Public Library, and welcome to our video on the gift app Elfster. Elfster is a great way to organize gift exchanges that you might have with your coworkers or your family or your friends. Elfster is great at recommending gift ideas and also enables you to easily organize gift exchanges. Today, we're going to take a look at how to accept an invite to Elfster, how to create your own list, how to shop for other people, and then how to set up your own gift exchange. Let's go ahead and get started. Perhaps you have been invited to Elfster by a coworker or a family member or a friend. You might have one of these in your inbox. You could click that RSVP button, but I will also show you how you can navigate to the Elfster website. To do that, I'm going to navigate to a web browser. I will be using Google Chrome today. And from here, I will type in Elfster in my search bar. That's the word elf and then S-T-E-R. And I think this first result is the one that we want. Here we are on the main page. Since it's our first time here, I will click Get Started. And they give you options to create an account with Google or Facebook or Apple. You can also choose another email down below. Now, if you have been invited to Elfster, make sure that you create your account with the email that invitation was sent to. You'll enter your first name, last name, create a password, and then you will need to check this box stating that you are at least 13 years old. That is a COPPA law requirement. And once I do that, I will click Next. And I have created my account. And since I had been invited to Elfster by a coworker, I will have a little notification in the top right corner. It's that little envelope icon. I don't see anything here, but if I click Reminders in the middle, I will see that I have been invited to this Happy Coworkers Gift Exchange by Matilda. And if I want to join this, I will click the RSVP button. And here I will just check yes or no whether I want to participate. I could share a comment with the group if I wanted to. I also see some other details about this gift exchange. I see the budget, I see how many have accepted it, I see when I need to RSVP by, and the date of the gift exchange itself. I'm going to go ahead and enter a comment here, just letting my coworkers know that I am excited for this. And then it will prompt me to enter my birthday if I want to. I will also need to check that box for COPPA regulations. And then after that, I will click the RSVP button down below. I am in the gift exchange. I have the option to invite others, it looks like, seeing that button below there. Since I'm part of this gift exchange, I will want to create a wish list so that whoever draws my name will have some items to get for me. I'm going to click the middle button to create my wish list. And Elfster gives you lots of ways that you can look for items. They suggest some popular stores here in the middle. Or I could also do a search up here in this search bar. I'm going to search for hats. And this is searching all of the sites that Elfster partners with. Maybe I like this hat. I'm going to add it to my wish list. And from here I can add a note. I can also say how many of this item I would like with this quantity button. I can also mark the most wanted, and it will keep it at the top of my gift list. And once I'm done, I can click Save. Let's go ahead and add a couple more items to this list. Up at the top, we see these categories that allow me to look for different items. Here I have gift cards, and I'm going to add these gift cards to my wish list. And I'm going to put 3 of them on my list. I can also write in a wish if I don't want to use any of the shops or links provided in Elfster. And to do that, I click the Write a Wish link right here. I can just type in the item that I'm wishing for here. Maybe I need a new toaster. I'll add that to my list. And I'm just going to add a little note saying that my current toaster is no longer working. And then I will save this. Let's say I was shopping on another site and I liked this tote bag. I could click in my address bar up top and right-click and select Copy. And then if I went back to Elfster and clicked Write in a Wish, I could copy that link and paste it up here by right-clicking and then pressing Paste. And this will actually pull information about that tote bag from the website that I was looking at. And I could add that to my list. Let's go ahead and take a look at my list and see how it is looking. I'm going to go to Wish Lists, and I will see the wish list I've created over here on the left-hand side. And if I click that, it will show me all of the items I have already added to this list. I see the hat and the tote bag and my note about the toaster and then the gift cards. And clicking this View/Buy button will link right to that item. And I would like to begin shopping for my coworker, but Elfster has not drawn the names yet for our gift exchange. Once the RSVP period has ended, then I will be able to do so. And once that happens, I'll get an email like this, and Elfster will let me know I'm ready to shop for my coworker. I'm going to click this link, and it will tell me who I got in the gift exchange drawing. I got Matilda. And there's a link right under that to view her wish list. I can see all of the items that she had put on her wish list. I can see the View/Buy button if I want to look at that. Maybe I'm interested in getting her this gift card. If I click that link, it'll take me to the site where I can purchase those. And then once I had purchased them, I can check this little box that says, I bought this. If I go back to exchanges and then click on the details of this Happy Coworkers gift exchange, and I can also mark a gift as sent. This will allow me to let Matilda know that I have shipped her a gift. Maybe instead of doing an in-person gift exchange, this was a long-distance by mail gift exchange. Speaking of gift exchanges, let's go ahead and create our own gift exchange. I'm going to click this link. I am going to select Start Fresh. And I'm going to name this gift exchange. Maybe this one is for my family. Once I put the name in, I will have to say when the gift exchange is happening using this calendar widget. And let's say it's happening January 2nd. And I also have to pick a sign-up deadline. This is when everyone will need to RSVP by. And then I can choose either just to organize or I can also be part of the exchange. And then I press Next. I can decide whether we are going to exchange those gifts by mail or in person. If we do them by mail, I can add a link to a virtual hangout link so we could all be together on video while we open our gifts. But I'm actually going to have this gift exchange be in person. And so I will add a location and time using this drop down. I'm just going to put my house, and then I'm going to put in 12:15 and then press next. On this screen, I can set the budget of our gift exchange, and I can also add any other additional notes I want to under that. Then I will click Next, and I will select an image for our gift exchange. And now I'm ready to invite people. Probably the simplest way to do this would be to use the Share Sign Up link. If I click Copy Link, I could then send anyone I wanted to invite to this gift exchange that link. I can also invite with name and email address here. I would add some rows if I needed more than 3. And then once I had put in everyone, I would press Send Invites. And they would receive an email invitation like I did at the very beginning of this video. And that is Elfster. It's just a great way to organize those gift exchanges that you might have with your friends, families, or coworkers. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this video, be sure to follow our MCPL 360 Facebook page. We premiere new tech videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. And if you missed the premiere on Facebook, you can always watch all of our videos on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our MCPL Mo YouTube channel. This has been Brad. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.